If I was starting from scratch as a beginner singer, these are the 4 exercises and vocal hacks I would start with to see instant results in my voice. The 4 exercises we will do together in this lesson will form your first daily workout. The exercises will gradually build in difficulty, so I'm interested to see how you go with exercise 4, but I'm confident you can handle it. In this first exercise, we are going to hold a note for 4 counts and then gradually move the pitch up and then back down. Your goal for this exercise is to sustain a steady and relaxed vocal tone. Ma, 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 yes, ma, ma. Let's head back down. Ma, ma, ma. That's it. Ma, ma. Yes. Ma, ma. Last one. Okay, it's time for the first vocal hack. Your mouth and throat act like an amplifier for your tone. If you create more space in your mouth, your voice will become fuller and more resonant. Now you can do this by simply dropping your jaw while you sing a note. In this second exercise, I'm going to introduce you to the famous 5-note scale. We will sing 5 ascending notes followed by a return back down to the starting note. This exercise is going to develop your pitch by targeting in on each note. This is a great opportunity to practice your dropped jaw hack. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma. Let's head back down. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma. Last one. The second vocal technique hack is singing with an open throat. Imagine you have a big cave at the back of your throat, and you can achieve this cavernous space by lifting the fleshy bit on the roof of your mouth. You naturally do this when you yawn. Try it. Every time you take a breath, I want you to recreate that yawning space, but don't actually yawn because that will make it very, very hard to sing. The third exercise will introduce some leaping between notes. Up until this point, we have been singing notes by steps. In this exercise, we will sing leaping notes to add some vocal agility and further develop your pitch targeting. Me, 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 me. 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 Let's head back down. Me, 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 me. 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 Last one. It's time for the third vocal hack, mask resonance. Now, we are no strangers to masks over the past couple of years, and I am not going to suggest you put a mask on to sing. Now, you have heard me talk about resonance in this lesson. Resonance basically refers to where your tone vibrates in your body. The singer's mask is the area between the bridge of your nose and your lips. Now, if you place your tone forward into this area, you can tap into a natural brightness that will make singing easier, especially when you start to sing higher. Using nasal sounds like the of ma, mum, and me that we've used in this lesson is a great way to practice mask resonance placement. It's time for exercise 4, and I did say at the start of this lesson that I thought you'd be able to handle it, and if you're still with me at this point, I'm confident that you will do just fine. This exercise is a combination of the first 3 exercises to form a super exercise that develops your pitch and vocal agility while sustaining your vocal tone. Now I want you to implement the 3 vocal technique hacks: a dropped jaw, an open throat, and mask resonance while you do the exercise. Do you accept the challenge? Let's go. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma, me 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma, me 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma, me 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma, me 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma, me 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma, me 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma, me 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma, me 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 ma. Let's head back down. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma, me 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma, me 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma, me 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma, me 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma, me 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma, me 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma, me 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 ma. Last one. You made it! Well done. Okay, now you have 3 options moving forward. You can watch this lesson again while I hold your hand through the exercises. You can click on this link to practice the exercises as a daily vocal workout without all the talking, or you can click on this link to dive deeper into the world of vocal technique and learn how to breathe as a singer.